So this is it. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has been one of the most important search terms for the last couple of months, and our review unit is finally here. Reporting from MWC 2018 in Barcelona, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and it's time for an unboxing brought to you by Invisible Shield. We've been doing unboxings since the inception of this YouTube channel, really for a reason. That first impression, that first look, pretty much defines your connection to a product. Just like people treat you the way they see you, in the same way, you'll treat your product as well as the manufacturer treats you with how the product is presented and what it includes. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus box follows the same design language that we've seen for the last 3 generations, which is great. We've got a cover protecting the goods and showing off the specific unit you chose, indications to the color variant you picked, and a description of what comes in the box. Slide it from the top and you find Samsung engraving. Open that flap and below that we have literature, and under that is your SIM ejector tool. Then your device is front and center below, and it seems midnight black is gonna be the way we're gonna play. Below the device we have a USB OTG adapter for Samsung's Smart Switch, a US fast charger, a USB-C cable, and a pair of Samsung's 8kg Tune headphones that we've praised in the past. You know, gotta love the fact that Samsung has stuck to this plan of black accessories. It makes it so much easier to keep them clean. And even if it's kinda noisy here, let's remove this plastic protection. Oh yeah. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus surely feels as large as its predecessor, but I'm actually glad that Samsung stuck to its design language for another year. I mean, we've still got competitors trying to catch up to this design. But hey, let us know in the comments, what do you think about Samsung's design language, and are you happy that it continues? I personally love these curves, and I noticed that it's actually now a matte finish on the borders of the aluminum, which is awesome. It reminds us of the S7. Now, a definite fact is that this glass finish will require some sort of protection, and our sponsor of this video actually specializes in that. Here's a word from them. Friends, our coverage of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and our MWC 2018 videos continue. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Learn more about Invisible Shield in the link in the description. We thank them for making this coverage possible. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. More videos from the Samsung Galaxy S9 coming very soon.